brief interlude, folks. Rain, good old December rain. Oh, can't make my mind up. Blue skies, holding up the conversion.
Let's go and see what Santa's got for us then. Okay, look what Santa's bought us. Not you two. Get out of the way, I'll think, Kira. Move! Kira, move! Right, here are the windows. Kira, they've seen you on the telly. Get off. You're going to be on YouTube again, aren't you? Move! Right. An old door at the back with the frame. All got to be cleaned up. Just broke down. Some more windows for the front and the sides and all the rubbers. And you two, it can get off the flipping now. What do you think? What do you think of the project so far, Bernadette?
Great. Very happy with the upcycling of the caravan windows.
Don't say any more. You'll ruin it. Okay, that's it then. We'll put these windows into storage for now, inside the camper. One of the problems with doing any construction work over the winter is the bad weather and ice, I'm afraid, and keeping everything dry. Get the way out, see